gotta say it. She can get a taste. She can get a taste.
So you guys, I'm almost there. Some random guy was literally just behind me, and I had to like basically tell him to go in front of me because it's dark for one, and for two, it's cold, and for three, I'm wearing shorts, but you can't really see. But yeah, like, I mean, I know it's public, but like, don't come behind me like scaring me like that. Like, I can't even hear anything with these headphones. I mean, I guess that's my fault, but yeah. But if I don't leave an outro for this vlog, then like, comment, and subscribe. So thank you guys. I'm almost there. Okay, you guys, so I got everything that I needed from 7-Eleven. So now I'm probably gonna walk back home in about like a 10-minute walk. So y'all, guys, I have bad anxiety of going to gas stations, especially alone and especially at night, because for one, there's so many people, you know, be hiding out on the streets. Well, not in this area, but usually in other cities, and I'd be scared. And not only that, I'm a woman, and for two, I don't have someone walking with me, so my anxiety is on 10. Plus, like, you know, you never know what can, let me not jinx anything, but like, you never know what can happen. So it's like, I don't know, I try not to think about anything, because my biggest fear is like gas stations. But yeah, but I'm walking home now, guys, so wish me luck of getting home safe, and thank you guys for subscribing so far. So yeah.